Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable tech products. Today, we're talking about the CableCreation 100-pack Cat6 RJ45 connectors, a must-have for anyone who works with Ethernet cables. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable, and easy-to-use connector for your networking needs, this is the one you need. These connectors are perfect for making your own Ethernet cables, whether for home or office use. The CableCreation Cat6 RJ45 connectors are compatible with both solid and stranded cable, and they work well with Cat6 standard UTP cables. They support 24 to 26 Aruban Florins round or flat network cables, making them versatile and adaptable to different types of setups. What makes these connectors stand out is the gold-plated contacts, which are essential for ensuring reliable performance, especially when you need a stable gigabit Ethernet connection. This feature minimizes corrosion, ensuring your network runs smoothly over time. The connectors are also RoHS compliant, and the transparent color allows for better indicator light penetration, making it easy to check the status of your connection. In terms of ease of use, these connectors are designed with simplicity in mind. The process is straightforward. Strip the cable, arrange the wires in the proper order, and then insert them into the connector. The CableCreation RJ45 connectors provide a secure, snug fit, and once crimped, you'll have a professional-grade Ethernet cable ready to go. If you're not a professional and this is your first time making cables, CableCreation suggests opting for the connectors with transparent load bars. These connectors help you verify the wire sequence before inserting them into the connector, making the process much easier and error-free. With a pack of 100 connectors, you'll have plenty to work with, whether you need them for personal projects or larger installations. And the best part? CableCreation offers a 24-month warranty, so if you have any issues, they've got you covered. Whether you're building a new network or just need a reliable solution for your existing setup, the CableCreation Cat6 RJ45 connectors are an excellent choice. For anyone serious about networking, these connectors deliver both performance and durability. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the best tech products on the market.